Ever wondered why we hiccup? It's not just random, there's a wild reason behind it. So picture this. Millions of years ago, our great-great-great-great-great-grandfish used gills to breathe. Fast forward to now, and when your diaphragm gets all twitchy, it's kind of like your body trying to breathe like a fish. Crazy, huh? And get this, hiccups usually happen when you eat too fast, drink soda, or even get excited. It's like your diaphragm throws a little tantrum. But here's the kicker. There's no real reason why we still get them. Just your body being a bit nostalgic. Y'all, our bodies are full of surprises, so next time you hiccup, just laugh it off and remember, it's your inner fish saying hello. Ain't that something? Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more mind-blowing facts. See y'all next time.